After the age of 40 and certainly after 50, if you're like me, it gets more difficult to stay in shape and to have a flat stomach area. One of my secrets to having a flat tummy is through food, and what I eat in the morning is one of the most crucial things. I eat fruit all morning, and making a green smoothie is one of the best ways I've found to get several fruits into my morning. I make the smoothie even more nutritious by making it a green smoothie, which also makes it more alkaline. I can make it green by adding spinach, but many times I just don't have any fresh spinach in the house. I've tried many of the green powders available, and some I like, and others I don't. In order to like it, I have to like how it tastes and I have to like the list of ingredients. Now, one of my favorites is this Greens Blend Superfood. I prefer the original flavor. The brand has wheatgrass, barley grass, alfalfa, spirulina, chlorella, broccoli, spinach, beetroot, carrot, pineapple, acai berry, maca root, cherry extract, flaxseed, apple pectin, and bacillus subtilis. Most ingredients are listed as organic. One scoop in a smoothie delivers 2 grams of protein, vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, iron, and potassium. The blend is gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, kosher, and it's certified organic. This one is also reasonably priced. Check the description box or the first comment for the link to the Greens Blend Superfood. You can also click the YouTube shopping button on the screen to check this out. I have several smoothie recipe videos on my channel that, some of them are kind of old from earlier in my YouTube career. You can add a scoop of the Greens Blend Superfood to any of those smoothie recipes. Tap one of the images on the right side of your screen to check them out, and I'll see you in the next video.